What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. So today we're in the Kioti RX7320. So see ahead of me, and I have a plow blade on the front, my Hiniker Scoop Plow, which uses my third function. And I thought I would do a quick video for you all because there seems to be a lot of discussion on folks who have issues releasing the couplers on their third function for their loader. So I thought I would share my little tips, what I do. So we're going to exit the machine. And so here you can see the loader and my blade. All right. And here are my third function couplers here. I bought the plow used. They're not the prettiest couplers. I should probably replace them someday. But in any case, okay. What I do to help relieve the pressure on those hydraulics, on those hoses, I shut the tractor off. Okay. But I turn the key back on, right? See, you can see the gauge cluster. I then go and push the buttons on my third function valves, and you can actually hear one of them anyway clicking. At least I can. Maybe you will be able to. Maybe you won't be able to. I usually hold them for a little bit. And we'll go over and hopefully hopefully this thing doesn't make a liar out of me, and we should be able to pull our couplers. And then I typically do try and put them together. So hopefully I'm doing it on camera. I did it off camera because I couldn't get the leverage on it. But there, as you can see, they are hooked together. So that keeps the pressure, what would you call that? That keeps the pressure equalized between rams. So, and then our last step, and I'll spare you all the details because it's not important, but the last step is we pull away from our attachment. When I reattach it, I do the same thing. Sit there and hold those the buttons for the third function for, let's say, 15 seconds each with the key in the on position but the engine off, and really very little issues reattaching. So I hope that helps you. If it did, please let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to hear about it. So if it didn't, let me know too, because, you know, maybe there's a better strategy, or tell me what you do. So, but in any case, if this was helpful, I'd appreciate if you hit the thumbs up. And I'd love to have you stick around for more of my videos playing with our tractor and ATVs and trucks and all that fun stuff. And so if you could hit the subscribe button, I'd appreciate that. And for another one of my videos using this bad boy, click here. All right, I'll see you there.